everyone, this is Wumi from Blockmaster, and we are here at Blockmaster where we create high quality precast products, slabs, and edge color. Beside me is
Engineer Demodi Oluwaseun. I'm the engineering manager for Blockmaster Precast Limited.
Mr. Sean. What is the project about?
Yes, this is the mini office construction for Blockmaster Limited. We want to showcase using our product, our wall panels, building a well-built structure using the precast wall panels.
Alright, so where is this building located at the moment?
Yes, it's sitting on a 38 square meter area of land. Total square meter of building, the total area of the building is 38 square meters area. Right. And the office space is 19 square meter, while the kitchenette is 4.5 square meter, and we have the toilet and bath at 3 square meter. Also, it has a bathroom for the office space.
Alright, so how many wall panels have you used so far?
To this stage, we use 45 wall panels of 2.7 meters long. Up to this stage, we have 45 wall panels of 2.7 meters long.
So, what are the advantages of using precast wall panels over normal blocks or hollow blocks?
Okay, precast wall panels has many advantages over the conventional hollow blocks. Some of them are: one, it allows for faster construction. In no time, you can finish building your building in a limited time. Also, using the precast wall panels you don't need to have your plastering or wall rendering. All you just need to do for the building is screeding. You don't have to plaster, so that's also saves costs in terms of building compared to hollow block wall. Also, the installation of electrical conduit pipes, plumbing pipes, they're all hidden in all the sections of the wall panels. You don't have to hack the walls to lay your pipes, to lay your conduit electrical pipes or plumbing pipes. Also, the hollow cores in the wall panels, they serve as insulators for heat and also for sound. So this is even better than the conventional block. But overall, one, it saves time and also it's cheaper than the normal block wall. In the sense that one, you don't have to plaster. As you can see, we are not using the conventional reinforced concrete lintel. So that also cut costs in your building construction.
So that's very nice. So what are the structural properties of these precast wall panels?
Yeah, the precast wall panels like I said, they are purely concrete structure in terms that they are produced using granite, cement, and sand. Also, they have reinforcing bars in them. So this makes them very solid and durable. And the compressive strength test of these wall panels is 30 megapascals. That's a very high strength. 30 megapascals, a very high strength, and they are produced under factory conditions. In terms that well cured and well produced.
The duration of the work at present?
At the moment, we have 4 days of work from the foundation up to this current level. So can you see the very fast construction method? Saying that the plans are pre-constructed. All you have to do is just arrange them and fit them to the right locations in the previous point.
Okay, so what are the expected activities to be done and when will this project be completed?
So as you can see, we've done the plumbing work, we've done the electrical conduit piping. What we have left now is the roofing, the wall screeding, the installation of the windows and doors, and also the tiling. And we are done with the building. In 5 days' time, we should be done with this building. 5 days' time, done.
Okay. So you want to tell us that in a month or less, we can have a complete building?
Very well. In a month, you can have your well complete building. Also, we have slabs, we have edge columns for even high-rise building. Not build a story building more than a floor. You can have slabs whereby you don't need props, you don't need scaffold. All you have to do is just place your slabs at the decking.
So here you have it. Even if you are a builder, a developer, or you are a Nigerian from diaspora, want to build a standard and well-developed building or home in Nigeria, or you have any building project whatsoever that you want to build in Nigeria, use precast wall panels for your next project. Thank you very much.